What is going on? Now before we get into the heat of things, myself and Nicole are going to show you how to win a steak eating challenge. Yes, you heard me correctly. Now I'm sure you've seen videos of people online, chewing down their food as fast as they can, but the question is there any real skill behind it? That's where we come in. We're going to show you and demonstrate the 5 don'ts and the 5 do's for a steak eating challenge.
Yes, so let's get to it. Now the first tip is to eat with your
Hands. Hands.
Calories.
Tip number 2, drink water instead of carbonated drinks.
Tip number 3, always cut your meat into smaller slices so you can chew and swallow faster.
Tip number 4, speed is crucial in a steak eating challenge, so put as much steak in your mouth and chew it as fast as you can. And finally, make sure you don't eat beforehand. Come with an empty stomach so you can eat as much steak as you want.